how to fix a wrong date and time on iPhone. So first of all, simply open your settings, and then from here, if you scroll down a bit, you can see general. Simply tap on it, and then again, if you scroll down a bit from here, you can see date and time. Simply tap on it, and then in here you can see this is the time zone. So currently this is my time zone. If I want to change the date and time of it, I can simply tap on time zone, and then from here I can now search for the time zone that I want to set. So for example, I'm going to select this particular time zone. I'm going to tap on it, and just like this, I have now changed my time zone. But if you want to change time overally, you can simply tap on these options that you can see right here. If you simply tap on this time right here, now you can see the calendar has been opened, and then from here I can simply change the date. So I'm going to set it for March 1st, just like this. And in here you can see time in here. If you simply tap on this time, here now I can also change the time. Just like this, I have done that. Now when you're done with it, you can simply tap on this back option just like this. And again, here you can see now my time has successfully been changed. So if you simply again tap on date and time, here you can also see the option of set automatically. So if you enable this option, now your time zone will be set automatically to your current location. I'm going to do just that. Tap on it. And just like this, here you can see my time zone has successfully been automated. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.